3 colour-coded gripper creases for light, medium and heavy stocks. When a gripper crease is used, the other 2 are stored in a spare recess area. The female component comprises of a series of preset grooves that are identified by a colour dot that corresponds to the gripper crease. The Tri-Creaser Easy Fit can simply be mounted straight from its packaging. Manually winding a sheet through the shafts helps locate correct crease position. The Tri-Creaser Easy Fit works directly on top of the area that is prone to cracking. The Tri-Creaser Easy Fit is capable of being rearranged to accommodate a new crease style whilst still mounted on the shaft. This is a major benefit and only takes a few seconds to carry out. The Tri-Creaser Easy Fit has been designed for maximum results with the minimum amount of effort. The Tri-Creaser Easy Fit is simplicity itself and produces quality results time and time again.